Hey guys, Jeff Tissett here at the SEMA show. We are in the Modern Driveline booth, and I've got Nate from Tremec Transmissions. He's going to tell us all about this new Magnum F 6-speed. What's new and great about this thing?
Well, so you're familiar with the Magnum, right, Jeff?
Who isn't? I mean, if you're going to put something in the car, it's going to be the T56 Magnum. I mean, Magnum, it's power.
Absolutely. I mean, I do believe firmly. Granted, I'm a little bit biased, but it is the finest 6-speed available in the market anywhere. It's based on the TR6060. Same thing you'd find in your Challengers, Camaros, things like that. OEM muscle cars.
OEM is a 6060, and then you got the T56 for the public.
That's basically it, yeah. The Magnum is the aftermarket version, so you get the same grade of hardware. It's coming from the same line, same gear sets, main shaft, same main case. And in the case of the Magnum F, the Magnum F is kind of an extension of the Magnum line here. The key difference being the extension housing or the tail housing portion. So when we first released the Magnum, great for a lot of the early muscle car guys that were doing T56 swaps way back when and having some problems with the shifter locations and things like that. Well, for the early model guys, the Magnum works fantastic, but the shifter position's a little too far forward for your 4th Gen F car guys. So we inadvertently kind of abandoned our largest constituency of 6-speed users. We're correcting that now with the release of the Magnum F. It's something I personally have been waiting for a while. Super excited to see it, and well, it's everything I dreamed of.
So how's the new Magnum F different from the regular old Magnum?
Okay, so 4th generation F-car constituency I was just talking about, unlike the original Magnum where Modern Driveline and other Tremec distributors will kind of pair them up with various peripherals to give you conversion kits for a specific application. This one is a little bit more specifically tailored to the 4th generation F-car community. So it has the factory shift location that those cars would have used from 93 to 2002. This one specifically works in the place of like an LS1 98 to 02 LS1 car that would have originally been equipped with a T56, but you get all the Magnum goodness to go along with it.
So this is a direct replacement, bolt it right in to a Camaro Firebird.
Well, essentially, yes. We do use like kind of a common Magnum plate on the front of it that's designed to accommodate both mechanical and hydraulic setups. However, the original Magnum, when we had the GM and the Ford variant, well, that GM variant was based off the 98 to 02 T56. So all the same hardware up front. You do need to go to a 31 spline slip yoke in the back as opposed to the 27 spline from the T56. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Do you guys supply that? Is everything included?
No. Tremec, we manufacture the transmission, and in most cases, that's kind of the end of the road for us. You can go to Modern Driveline or any other Tremec Elite distributor, and they can equip you with the various peripherals you might need to install that in your car. Which, with the Magnum F, it's very few. You're pretty much talking about a drive shaft. If a guy's got a local drive shaft place that he likes going to, he can always deal with them. But just like in any other Tremec instance, our Elite distributors can take care of you.
You guys are known for your manuals, but the new Corvette, we got the Ford deal with the Tremec in there. What's going on?
Right, yeah. So shame on me. We do have 2019 has been a very exciting year for us at Tremec. We do have our new dual clutch transmissions as well, which we're finally able to announce, that yes, we are very proudly part of the C8 Corvette program and the new 2020 GT500, which is a radical car. Not an automatic transmission in a conventional sense. It's a dual clutch transmission, so it's an automated, even that's not the right way to say it, but it's an automated manual. It's electromechanical actuation. It does have a clutch in it, but it's all computer controlled. You can have it function like an automatic if you'd like, and drive grandma to church on Sunday, or you can start pulling paddles and have a wicked good time with it.
So not just 5 and 6-speed manuals, dual clutch kind of automatics in the C8 Corvette GT500. That's good stuff. Where can they find out more about it?
Tremec.com. Yeah.
It's just that simple. Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, Tremec Performance, well, of course, if you're looking for any of your conversion kit stuff, Modern Driveline is a fantastic source for that.
There you go. If you want to convert to a 5 or 6-speed, these are the guys to do it. Check them out at Tremec.com. And we got more Power Automedia coming up at the SEMA show. Don't go away.